Did you know that products with professional looking photos sell 5x more than those with amateur photos? And the craziest part is that some of the most gorgeous products you see online are being created in less than 30 seconds using AI and not expensive photographers. So here's the thing, you take photos of your products and they look, well, kind of meh. The lighting is weird, there are random things in the background, and honestly, they don't look professional enough to compete with all those gorgeous listings you see everywhere. And you're thinking, I can't afford a professional photographer, or I don't know how to make photos that look good. And meanwhile, you're watching potential customers scrolling past your products because your photos just don't grab their attention. Well, here is a total game changer I have discovered through my research. There is this secret AI tool that can transform your amateur product photos into professional sales-driving images in seconds. And people using this successfully aren't professional photographers. They're regular small business owners, Etsy sellers, and online entrepreneurs who just wanted their products to look amazing without a huge cost and the complicated editing. So today I'm going to share with you 3 specific AI photo hacks that are making product listings sell like crazy. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to transform your products from a scroll past to a must-have. And you'll be able to do it in minutes, not hours. Plus, I will show you the secret to making your products look so professional that customers will think that you hire an expensive photography team. So grab your phone with some product photos on it, get comfy, and let me show you the first hack that it's going to completely change how your product look online. And the amazing tool that I'm going to be using for this video is Design. And if you don't have your account yet, you can click the link on my description and create yours. Once you have created yours, it's going to look exactly like this. So I'm just going to go to the section of Create. Okay, so the first hack is something super simple, and it still makes the biggest difference in how professional your products look. And we're talking about removing messy backgrounds and replacing them with gorgeous professional ones. You know how you take a photo of your product and there is some dishes in the background and a random cutler? Well, Design can remove all the mess in just one click and replace it with beautiful clean background that makes your product a star. Alright, and to start with this, I'm just going to go to the section of AI Photo Editor and I'm just going to click in Upload. From here, I'm just going to go and select the picture that I want to edit. And I'm just going to be taking this one. So I'm just going to click in Open and here is my picture. So as we can see, it's a bit messy, but it's something that we can actually fix. And I will show you how we can transform this to a very, very professional picture. We have the resize, the retouch, the BG remover, the BG generator, and the enhance and the eraser. So for this case, what I'll be doing first of all is go and remove the background. So it's easy for me to work only with our product, which is the mug. So I already have it on this section. And as you can see on this section, we have different colors, so we can add it in the background. We even have some gradients that we can work with. But for mine, I'm just going to keep it on this option. Now we can move on into actually generate some different backgrounds for this product. And to do this, we're just going to go and click in BG Generator. And this is my favorite section of this amazing tool. So we actually have 3 options. We have the presets, we have the clone, and we have the custom. And I will show you how you can generate backgrounds with the 3 of them. But to start, I'm just going to be doing with the presets. And for this one, I really like it because we have actually so many options that we can choose from. So one of my favorite ones is the set option. With this option, we will actually get 4 different options of setup for our product. And to actually do this, we're just going to go select on it and we can click in generate. Now, as you can see, it's taking a few seconds to actually generate my 4 options of these different setups for my product. And now it have generated these amazing options. This is the first one. I really like it how everything looks so smooth. I wouldn't even guess this is made by AI. And we have this one. This one would also look much more clean than the messy one that we have at the beginning. So this is much better. This one is also very good for my listing. And this last one, which is even a different angle from the same product that I have, which help us to give different perspective to the customers. So I really like it, all of these options, and it's something I can actually use on my listings. So here we have our 4 options, which I already show you, and I really like all of them. Now, trying something else from this same section, I'm just going to go and I'm going to choose the natural scenes. So this is only to try out different options from this same section so you can see how good these AI images are. So I'm just going to go select this one and I can click in generate. And from this one, we got this image, which I really like. I really feel like it's very dreamy. I think it really makes the product stand out so much. So this is something that it's super simple to generate with actually one click. And you can go ahead and try all of the options from this section, which all of them are so high quality. Now, moving into our second option from this same section is a clone. And this is one of my favorite ones because with this one, we can actually go ahead and then just take a reference and then just regenerate our image with that reference. I'm adding this picture, which is a very nice setup that I want to generate, but for my own picture. And to do this, as you can see, the AI already recognized which is the product that we're going to be swapping. So instead of adding this mark, I'm going to be adding mine. So I'm just going to go and try to make sure it makes sense where are we adding in. And I will also recommend you to just try to make sure that the dimensions and the sizing are good. So I'm just going to go and then just make sure. So I think a real teacup would look like that. So I'm just going to leave it like this, but you can just go ahead and then add some changes if you want to. You can see you can make a shadow, change the dimensions, even adjust angles. So it does make sense when we put all together. So I think for mine it's actually good like this. So I'm just going to click in generate. And here is the final result that we got for our image. As you can see, it's like a copy paste from the other image. It's so good how we keep all the elements of the other image, but with our own product. And here we have more options of our same image, which are these ones. And you can just go ahead and then choose from all of these. And for our last section, which is one of my favorite sections, is the custom section. Over here, we only have to go ahead and then just make a prompt of what we want for our image. And we can also go ahead and select between the AI models. So we have AI Good Speed Tree, Flux, GPT, Mid-Journey, and all of these options. So if you have a preference on these ones, you can just go ahead and select between these options. And then I can go ahead and then just try out how it generates my image. And to do this, you can only go ahead and then just add what your ideas to create your picture. But what I like to do, and because I'm really bad with prompt generation, is just use the help of ChatGPT. So from here, what I do is just go ahead, add the photo that I want to regenerate, and then I just ask to the AI to make a prompt for me so it generates this kind of image. So I just add my prompt and then I just let the AI make my prompt. But you can go ahead, if you have some ideas that you haven't seen anywhere else, this is your space to go ahead and then just add it on this prompt section and then just generate it. And then I just copy, paste my prompt. Then from here, just make sure that it does make sense what I'm going to create. And you can even go and then just add the image of reference just to make sure that you're going to get something similar to this. And actually for mine, I don't want tulips. I actually want roses. So I can just go ahead and then just change that from here. And then I want the roses to be pink. So it actually matched with my product. So I'm just going to go change that. And we're just going to go and add our image of reference and open it. Now I'm just going to let the AI make my image. I just wait that it loads over here. So that's good. And now I can click in generate. And here is the images that we got. So I really like it, this one. I think it looks so cute and also very organic. And we also have more options like this one and this one. And our last option, all of them look so good. Like I have hired a very professional photographer. Now for our tip number 2 is the instant object eraser. And here's a hack that is going to save you from retaking hundreds of photos. And honestly, it feels like magic every time I use it. You know those moments when you get your perfect product photo, but there is like a random thing in the corner, or your finger actually got inside of the shot, or there is a weird reflection that you didn't notice. Instead of starting over and over, X Design can remove any unwanted object instantly. And it's like having a professional photo editor who can make anything disappear while keeping your product looking perfect. And the AI, it's so smart that it fills the background naturally, so you can even tell anything was ever there. And to do this, I'm just going to take this photo as an example. Let's say that I don't want this pen to be here. I really like it how the background and this element are all together in my photo, but this pen doesn't really add up for me. So what I'm going to do is just go to the section of eraser. And you can even choose from these different options. We have text, watermark, eyeglasses, unwanted people, or clear. But what I like to do is just a manual removal. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to click in the section of brush. From here, we already got our brush and we can go ahead and increase the thickness of this brush. So I don't have to do it like a lot of times. So I just go and I mark over here my element. And then from here, I can click in remove. And there it is. I wouldn't even imagine there was something in that image apart from what we already got. So it's so simple. You also have the box and the circle option. But for me, the easiest is the brush. No more retaking pictures or making hundreds of attempts to create the same image with the AI because of tiny imperfections. And for our last hack is the professional lighting fix. And here's a hack that is going to make your product look like we're photographed in a professional studio, even if you took them with your phone in your bedroom. Bad lighting is the number one thing that makes your product photos look amateur. Maybe your photo is too dark or the colors look weird. X Design can retouch your photo automatically and adjust the lighting, the brightness, and the colors to make everything look perfect. And it's like having a professional studio lighting, but it's all done digitally. Your products will have that gorgeous, even lighting that makes colors pop up and details shine. And to do this, we have two options. We can either do that with a retouch, and over here, as you can see, we have different options of colors to make our image look even better. So I can go and make it clear. So over there, our image already improved a lot more. We have the enhance option, we have the natural one, toward this. Or if you have specific settings that you want to add into your picture, you can just go and then click in basic correction. And then from here, you can just go and then adjust it. We also have the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, the clarity, and the sharpness. And we can go ahead and adjust this. If you're a bit more advanced, we also have the advanced correction. So we have all of these options, colors, details, and these other options. And we can even go ahead and add some filters on it. So we can just go and then just scroll between all of these filters. So we have all of these options. And from here, it's just depending on how you like the pictures, and then you just decide from these options. Then we also have the enhance option, which is going to help us to transform our image into HD or Ultra HD. So depending on what you want, you can just go ahead and then just select between these two options. So I'm just going to go and use the Ultra HD, and I can click in enhance. And it's over here where we can see the actual difference. So we have, I'm just going to make it closer so we can take a closer look of it. So we have the before of this, which is this one. It was not bad, but it was not great. And we have the after, which makes our product stand out much more than before. So we get all these little details that we didn't before, and it looks even more professional for our listings. And once you're happy with your images, we can click in download. And over here, you can just go ahead and select between these formats, and we can click in download. Now, here's the advanced hack that separates good products from the ones that actually make people want to buy them. The most successful product listings don't just show the product, they show the product being used in real life. But creating lifestyle shots usually requires models, props, and perfect staging. XDesign AI can take your basic product photo and place it into realistic lifestyle settings. Imagine your handmade mug sitting on a cozy cafe table, or your cute custom necklace being worn in an elegant setting. These lifestyle shots help customers imagine themselves using your product, which makes them way more likely to buy it. And with the preset options that I showed you earlier, this is so easy to generate. So for this, as you saw with the preset, we got some amazing images like this one, and then just a close up here. And then this makes it so easy to generate them. But you can also use the handheld section, or even just go ahead and then just make a custom picture if you want to. And make a custom picture or clone it. This tool gives you so many options to do this in a very simple way. Listen, I know that some of you are thinking, but I'm not good at photography. Or what if AI makes my photos look fake? Well, every successful online seller started with those exact same worries. The beautiful thing about XDesign is that it's designed for people who aren't professional photographers, but still want their products to look amazing. And the amazing thing about the AI photo editing is that it doesn't matter if you have never used a photo editing software before, or if you think that you're not creative enough. The AI does all the technical stuff to just point, click, and watch your photos transform into something that looks professionally done. No photography experience required, no expensive equipment needed, no complicated software to learn. Just a simple point and click tools that anyone can master immediately. And unlike hiring photographers or buying expensive equipment, XDesign is affordable and risk-free. Plus, once you know how to use it, you can create unlimited professional photos for any product you sell. The online market is more competitive than ever. The business that invests in professional-looking photos now are going to have such an advantage. Every day that you wait with amateur photos is another day that potential customers are choosing your competitors instead. So if you're ready to transform your product photos from amateur to absolutely stunning, and if you're tired of losing sales because of your product photos, and you're ready to make your products look irresistible, you can click the link below and make this happen. I'm so excited to see what amazing products you create. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 3 hacks you're most excited to try first. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Have a great day.